Hello, sanibonani nonke ababukeli emakhaya, and welcome to this week's exciting edition of your favorite program, Ilungelo Lakho phela mbukeli uyazi, it's your right, uhlelo olunilethela konke okuthinta nina namalungelo enu njengabathengi la eNingizimu Afrika. Uyazi ke intokazi emhlophe kakhulu uMangcolosi ushongololo ngisaba ukulibamba uzikhali ngithi nje sanibonani babukeli, ungangibiza uNonhlanhla, ungangibiza uAlisha, those are my names. Mbukeli uyazi ke indaba yethu la namhlanje isikhathi sesifikile sokuthi phela nikhokhele intela, isikhathi phela esiletha kwabanye injabulo, kwabanye uvalo, kwabanye hey uleko ongakazi uzulibona umuntu ungena ekhahlela ngisho inja endlini, njengoba phela luqala mbukeli lolu hlelo abakhokha intela bayaxwayiswa ukuthi wonke amaphepha abazowafaka umuntu abe neqiniso. Asingene shiqe udabeni lethu namhlanje. Ukhuluma abanzeke ngalolu daba mbukeli about this year's tax filing season, and what of course you and I as a taxpayer must be aware of. Asamukele insizwa namhlanje nginayo la e-studio ubhodi uNqobane Mzizi, yena ke ukhulumela i-South African Institute of Professional Accountants. eThekwini sinaye insizwa lapha ya ubhodi uDenzulu omelekena ihovisi phela lokukhokha kwalentela bengeke singambizi mbukeli, niyazi ke yona ibizwa i-South African Revenue Service. Yena ke ukhulumela nathi, uzokhuluma nathi ukuthi asichazele kahle kahle konke ekumele sekuzwe. Baba uNqobane, kunjani insizwa sekwamukela ohlelweni? Sawubona.
Sawubona Nhlanhla, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila insizwa, unjani?
Kuhle konke.
Siyaphila impela, sibulisele elokhuzeni eThekwini, sibone lapha ya ubaba uZulu. But then kunjani insizwa sekwamukela ohlelweni?
Ngiyaphila dadewethu, ngibingelele nomfowethu ohleli nabo bonke ababukeli bakwa-SABC 1.
Alright. Nazo ukukhuluma nathi impela lapho Buden. Ake siqale kuwena Buden, awusitshele nje very briefly ukuthi when does this tax filing season begin? Iziphi izinto esemqoka ekumele ukuthi sizazi njengabantu phela abakhokha intela baba?
I-tax season dadewethu iyaqala mhla ka-15 kuJulayi, kushuthi ngomsombuluko olandelayo.
Yebo.
Uyaqala ngomsombuluko olandelayo ngo-15 kaJulayi. Iningi labakhokhi bentela bayazi-ke ukuthi iy'mfanelo zamadokhumenti okumele babe nazo. Okokuqala i-RP5 abayithola kumsebenzi amsebenzelayo, bese kuba ama-RAs uma retirement annuities, no Sanlam, no Old Mutual, nako konke-ke okuphathelene ne-medical aid uma ene-medical aid. Angahlanganisa wonke amaphepha enzela ukuthi azokwazi ukuclaima ngayo. Yilawo maphepha asemqoka, kodwa kakhulukazi futhi umazisi wakho uyafuneka ukuthi ube nawo, ikakhulukazi uma uzovakashela izikhungo zethu.
Siyabonga kakhulu lapho ke baba ukuthi usitshela ukuthi imaphi lamaphepha adingekayo. But Nqobane, awusichazele la, abantu abaningi bayazi ukuthi i-tax kumele ikhokhwe, kodwa bona abakwazi ukuthi uzenzela kanjani lo msebenzi. Uthola ukuthi umuntu useyahlala nje angafile nama-tax returns because sekufike ke la edideka khona. Kunegaba la sihlale siza ukuthi kunalabantu laba abangadingi assessment, kunabanye that are exempted from ukuthi bakhokhe i-tax. Awusichazele ukuthi mesikhuluma ngale group yokuthi umuntu kahle kahle okumele afile i-tax return, sisuke sikhuluma nobani?
Ngibingelele futhi noNhlanhla. Okumele akhokhe intela yo wonke umuntu one-income. Kahle kahle umuntu osebenzayo njengoba echazile uMageba, nomuntu ozisebenzayo. Uma une source of income eyodwa njengoba echazile uMageba, isikhathi sokufayila yilesa bese sibekile kusukela ngomsombuluko kuye ngo-21 ku-October. So bonke umuntu kumele afayile i-return kuleso sikhathi leso. Noma uthola imali engaphansi kwale exemption le, kufanele ukuthi uyifake futhi i-return nawo, ngoba iSARS yafuna ukwazi ukuthi uwenze malini and then bese iyayideduct le mali le ye-exemption. Phinde futhi kube khona laba-ke kuleli sonto leli kusukela ngomhla 1 kaJulayi kuze kushaye uSunday uSARS uloke bathumela ama-SMS imqhafazo.
Okay.
Uyabatshela ukuthi asesile uney'nsuku ey'ntathu. Kule y'nsuku ey'ntathu sicela ungene ucheck ukuthi ujabulile yini nge-assessment esikwenzele yona.
Okay, iloko kuthiwa auto-assessment
ke le.
yebo, ibaphi laba abavane bacheckelwe bona basebethola imqhafazo?
Yilaba abane-income eyodwa abanganazo into ey'xakile.
Oh, amabhizinisi neminye imisebenzi njengathi ama-freelancer la estudio.
Njenganani yabona njenganani nama-provisional taxpayer ngithi lo one-salary eyodwa mhlawumbe umqashi wakhe kuyena omfakela imali asubmit futhi intela yakhe ngipheze UN ayinike uSARS lapha koMageba aphinde futhi mhlawumbe abe ne-RA njobe echazile uMageba i-medical aid nani zonke lezo inkampani zayithatha leyo information zinika uSARS mase zinikile uSARS uSARS ayigcwalise uSARS wagculiseka athi ke uSARS aphinda asebenzise technology a-check ukuthi kukhona yini okunye mhlawumbe obafihlela kona
ngoba bayafihla abantu
mayigculiseke uSARS uthi akukho lutho avela ku-auto assess bese ithi ngokwethu nakho.
Okay.
Sitshele ukuthi ugculiseke noma ugculisekanga.
Okay.
Uma ungagculisekanga ke usungashintsha. Uma ugculisekile uthi uyayamukela assessment bese iyahamba eSARS. Ngoba kweleta uyakhokha mabekweleta bakunika imali yakho.
Hey, sizongena kuloko ukuthi kunabanye abasabayo because njengoba ngishilo mezivula uhlelo ukuthi abanye baba novala abanye bayajabula abanye baba nolaka ngoba uzothi umuntu kade ngikhokha le tax iyadonsa mos njalo ngenyanga kodwa yini le athi uSARS ngiyayikoloda. Mageba ake sikhulume nawe lapho. I mean, let's understand ukuthi as iSARS you've accepted ukuthi kunabantu that are not able ukuthi bazenzele bona umsebenzi lo ukuthi bafake ama-documents entela which we call tax practitioners, and isivumelwano senu nama-tax practitioners la eSouth Africa ngabe sithini sisebenza kanjani futhi phansi komthetho Nsizwa?
Kukhona umthetho ke dadewethu ongamele ama-tax practitioners. Ama-tax practitioners abalulekile kithi njengoba ibalulekile nakubakhokhi bentela. Kithi-ke babaluke ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi bancedise ama-taxpayer ukuthi agcwalise ama-tax return ngendlela efanekileyo nangendlela engenamgunyathi. Kusho ukuthi benze ukuthi into eshiwo emaphepheni ku-RP5 yakho ingashintshwa ifane njengoba injalo. Nemali oyithole interest nawuthole ebhangi ibe njalo ungashintshi into. So iningi lama-tax practitioner ethu ikakhulukazi la a-register le nobhuti umzizi lapho or like oSAIPA no-SAICA ba-regulated from that perspective.
Siyabonga kakhulu Nsizwa. So but Ngobane, we understand ukuthi there has obviously been problems of abantu benza unscrupulous dealings. I mean, we've seen a lot of cases pertaining to ikakhulukazi labantu abanezimali eningi ama-celebrity uthola ukuthi bayalwa neSARS kodwa umuntu uzothi no mina incwadi zami zonke ngayinikeza u-tax practitioner ubaba uNqobane Mzizi manje why nizongifuna u2.5 million because mina ngazi ukuthi sonke lesikhathi I handed over my tax affairs kubaba uMzizi. So what is the responsibility, one, ye taxpayer, number two, ye tax practitioner uma sizoba nalobo budlelwane?
So i-taxpayer kubalulekile ukuthi phambi kokuba inike i-tax practitioner izinto zayo iyazi le tax practitioner imbuze
imazi kanjani personally or ukuthi uqualified kanjani
ngokomsebenzi uzomazi kanjani kumele amcele into ekuthiwa i-TP number.
Okay, okokuqala nje Nsizwa la umbheka kuphi lo muntu
ilangi kulayela khona uthatha umcela i-TP number i-tax practitioner number yakhe aye ku website yako Mageba eSARS mayifaka le TP number izomtshela ukuthi unayo imvumo yokuthi aphathe incwadi zabantu iqala lapho le.
All right, ima kanjalo ke Nsizwa because uza nayo kamnandi angifuni ukuthi ngikhiphe lapho online ini usachaza kamnandi. Mbukeli, we're going to take a quick ad break. After that uyazi my lines are going to be wide open. Sicela ukuthi usifonele la e-studio usende lama emails. We're back shortly after this. We're talking about your tax matters. Ningayindawo. Bukeli, welcome back to Ilungelo Lakho. It's your right. Namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngokuthi i-tax season iyavula Mbukeli njengoba eshilo insizwa lapha uBudenzulu wathi ngomhla ka-15 July ziyaqala ke lezo zinto zokuthi kumele phela sambe siyolungisa ama documents. Ziphi documents zakho eziyolungisa i-tax Mbukeli kumele zibe in order lapho. My lines are now open. Ungasishayela la e-studio 0117140671 alternatively 7140672. Email us consumer@sabc.co.za or usendele iWhatsApp ku 060-844-9857. Ngihleli neinsizwa la zombili namhlanje in studio with me nginobhuti uNqobani Mzizi ovela eCyper basebenza ke bona ngama tax practitioners nama accountants eThekwini ke sibe naye insizwa lapha uMageba uBudenzulu ovela lapha ya eSARS khona ngqo. But Nqobani, before siye khefini ubusasichazela insizwa ukuthi kusebenza kanjani responsibility ye tax practitioner versus umuntu osebenzisa i-tax practitioner.
So bengisachaza ukuthi njengomkhokhwentela irresponsibility yakho iba kuphi. Uqale ucela i-tax practitioner yakho i-TP number yakhe uye ku website eSARS ufaka ucheck ukuthi usanalo yini igunya ngoba phela uSARS uyakutshela ukuthi unalo igunya noma akanalo.
Okay.
Ngoba ngeke vele unike nje noma ubani ukuthi akuthwalele into zakho zentela.
Okay.
Isibini njobe ichazile uBuden wonke umuntu olungisela abantu izinto zabo zentela kumele abe yilunga le registered body, right, professional body. So sina amalungu eCyper akhona futhi nakwamanye lama bodies awu10 lawo. So kumele uye nakhona futhi ubuze ukuthi lo muntu ulilunga lenu na ngoba kumele umbuza ngithi lo muntu ozokusiza. Awuna siqiniseko sokuthi ngempela le number kuniyo neyakhe ngoba ngakunika inamba yomunye ngoba ngeke ID uyabona. Ora angakushasha ngenzeka noma yini. So ngicela ukuthi ngicela ungise lapha ngifuna ukuthola i letter of good standing yakhona ukuthi ngempela u in good standing nabo bakuvumela yini nabo ngamanye amagama zonke imfanelo zakhona uyigculisile yini ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthwala into zami zentela. Nabo futhi baphinde babe nayo websites ezinye futhi zalama bodies ayiwonke ungamchecka futhi nakhona mawungafuni mawukuthi uyakubhayizisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke mawukuthi ukuphi inkigu umuntu ila kumele uxwaye khona ke ukuthi mayiloke egijimise kisale nale la kumele uxwaye khona ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi wena ufuna ukucasha emva kwesithupha ucasha emva kwehlathi kodwa uthi umuntu onelungelo lokungenzela lento lena iyona into yakho kumele uyenze leyo njengani njengomuntu ozocela usizo kumuntu ozokusiza ngentela.
Okay, all right. So akekho umuntu ozothi cha mina ngavane nje ngathatha eyokuqala iboyfriend engahlangana nayo kumele enze contest a check lo omkhulumela kahle. Asizwe lapha ya kuMageba. Mageba, is one able to then just plead ignorance to le information eqedwa ukukhishwa lana ubaba uMzizi ukuthi irresponsibility also lies with both of you, not just the taxpayer but also not just the tax practitioner but now as umuntu who's acquiring those services zomuntu ozokwenzela intela.
Dadwethu kuyenzeka isikhathi esiningi ukuthi abakhokhi bentela baplead ignorance ukuthi mina bengingazi ukuthi uDenzulu akasi i-tax practitioner. Uma ufikelwa yilokho ukungazi instead ukuthi uhambe uthatha bonke abantu abasemgwaqeni ohlangana nabo emgwaqeni bathi bafuna ukukuncedisa buza kithi ke uma ungakwazi ukubuza lo muntu okanye uye ku website yethu ubheka ama-RCB ukuthi lo muntu uyilunga lika Cyper or iSAICA iSAID njengoba ubhuti eseshilo awu10 ama-recognized controlling bodies kodwa uma uxakekile iza kithi ngoba thina siyakwazi ukukusiza ngaphandle kokukhokhisa imali.
Yeah, but then I remember, I think during isikhathi se-COVID, one had to make an appointment to gain access to our offices when you are certain. What is the situation currently like now?
I-situation kulo nyaka njengoba yonke iminyaka siye sizame uku-improve. Okwamanje sinabantu close to 1.8 million taxpayers esibathumele ama-auto assessment okusho ukuthi thina sesibenzele umsebenzi wabo asikho isidingo sokuthi benze appointment, asikho nesidingo sokuthi beze kwa-SARS. Sesikwenzile konke okufanele kwenzeke. Usungenza i-appointment-ke nathi ukuthi khona eningakwazanga ukufaka, like angenze i-example ye-rental income because asinayo i-rental income yakho. Usungasho ukuthi khona engakwazanga ukufaka, usiyakwazi ukuyi-edita i-return yakho. Okwamanje close to 1.8 million abantu esibenzele umsebenzi wabo, okumele nje bangazihluphi ngalutho ukuthi bavakashele izikhungo zethu okanye bafonele izikhungo zethu.
All right, Insizwa siyabonga kakhulu. Baba Mzizi, let's talk about amalokhuzana ama-tax practitioners. I'm sure abantu meke sathi uqasha i-specialist ukusesekhala ama-bills amaningi uzothi hey ubiza malini, hey ngizomthatha phi. We've dealt with the regulation side, or okay, the verification side ukuthi umfumana kuphi. Let's talk about firstly now profession, is it regulated? If so, irregulator ubani, and how much do you cost? What is the general amount that amalokhuzana ama-tax practitioners should be charging per client?
So njengoba sengishilo wonke ama-practitioner kumele abelonge ku-RCB, right? So my belong RCB kuneimfanelo zakhona akumele ukuthi abe nazo. Okokuqala kumele abe ukuba ilunga lakhona iyonto yokuqala. Kwesibili akumelanga ube ne-criminal record ehlanganisene nobugebengu beyimali. Okwesithathu kumele ube nama-qualification athile. Okwesine
lama qualifications is
well uSARS ngokusho kwawo uthi ufuna ube no NQF level 4 eyokungena elula le NQF level 4 neminyaka eli10 yesipiliyoni usebenza ngezinto zentela. Kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe ungasebenza phansi komuntu bekade i-tax practitioner.
Okay.
Uyabona. Mhlawumbe NQF level 5 ufuna iminyaka emine ye-experience. Maku NQF level 6 ufuna unyaka owodwa nezifundo futhi zokubala i-accounting phecelezi. So umuntu ofunde wafika kulelo zinga unyaka owodwa wanele esebenza phansi komuntu plus nezifundo lezi ze-accounting.
Okay, usengazimela yena ayisebenzele.
Usengazimela.
Okay.
Kodwa kumele abe yilunga le-registered controlling board. Phezu kwalokho kumele futhi osengikhulumela ukuthi angabi nalicala ngithi kumele ayokwenza i-test eSARS, yes, tax practitioner readiness program. La bakufundisa khona baqeqesha ukuthi ukuphatha imali zabantu okanye amaphepha abantu kumele wenze njani, and leyo nto uyenza njalo ngonyaka. Phinde futhi kuleyo registered controlling board kuneimfanelo ezinye futhi zokufunda okumele uzenze every year.
All right.
Every year kumele wenze what is called CPD, continuous professional development hours. Right. So kumele wenze amahora awu10 awentela, kumele wenze ayisithupha awe accounting noma imuphi umkhakha osebenzayo namabili okuyiphatha kahle kuthiwa ethics. So zonke lezo zinto kumele ube nazo before ube yilunga elingarecognize elingangena ku-RCB. RCB mayi happy ngawo itshela uSARS ukuthi lo muntu unayo yonke into esiyifunayo siyamela. Sicela ukuthi nimfaka abe tax practitioner.
Awubambe lapho ke Insizwa, ngifuna ukuya lapha emalayinini singaze silahlekelwe u-Anonymous lapha e-Eastern Cape. Anonymous, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usishayele ucingo namhlanje. Welcome to the program. Ungasibuza umbuzo noma ubeka umbono ma? Anonymous? Anonymous, are you still there? All right, I think uAnonza usephinde wasaba noma simbeka isikhathi eside lapha. Mbukeli ithi ngithi ukuphuthuma futhi ezitolo siyabuya nje emva kwaleli khefu. Please remember ukuthi the lines that you can use ukuthi usithinte la e-studio 0117140671, alternatively 7140672, WhatsApp us 0608449857. Usithumele phela i-email ku consumer@sabc.co.za. uhlangane futhi nathi on our social media platforms. We're coming back shortly after this. Don't go anywhere. Bokele, welcome back to Ilungelo Lakho. Sikhuluma ngokuthi wena njengoba kuyi-tax season, tax filing season, iziphi izinto ekumele uzazi mayelana nalokho nokuthi uma-ke wena uyakwazi ukuthi uqashe umuntu abambiza i-tax practitioner okuyena-ke okufakela zonke iy'celo zakho nemininingwane yakho lapha eSARS. Iziphi izinto ekumele uyiqaphele futhi uzazi futhi uyibuze kubona labantu abakusiza nge-tax, because we're getting a lot of complaints abantu bethi sisebenzise umuntu othi usebenza nge-tax kodwa nansi SARS sibuya izongitshela ukuthi ngiyakolota imali, yet I've been consistently paying lo muntu. Lapho ke iSARS izobuza nje umbuzo oyi-1 ukuthi umcheckile uregister lo muntu, umcheckile kuthina ama details wakhathini, because asihlampa simboni na kwi-system. All right, lines are open 0117140671 or 7140672. Ungasithumela iWhatsApp, usithumele i-email. Let's go to the callers. Anonymous Eastern Cape, sakwamukela Ntokazi ohlelweni. Ungabuza umbuzo noma ubeka umbono mama. Anonymous. Yebo sis. Sis Anonza. Yebo sis kunjani?
Ngena message every Monday. Your tax income refund.
We kungena ntoni mama? Kungena message.
Your income tax refund ichaze ngola number. It is incorrect.
Oh, your tax income number is incorrect.
Ngena message every Monday.
Every Monday. Okay mama. Lapho uphangela khona bathi
incorrect banking details zami.
Okay, so uke waya wena emahhovisi eSARS sis?
Incorrect.
Andikuva mama. All right, we're struggling with this line, so we're going to try and work on what we have just received from Anonymous lapha Eastern Cape. But ngobani uthi utholi message njalo ethi your tax income number, or maybe should I ask uBuden? Buden uyamuzuma lapha Eastern Cape uthi hayi ukhathazekile yena, even though we couldn't get much details from yena because iline yakhe iyabheda, but uthi utholi umqhafazo every Monday othi your tax income number is incorrect.
Angibingelele umama Eastern Cape. Mama akwazi ukuthi ungathola umlayezo every Monday okutshela ukuthi income tax yakho incorrect, kusho ukuthi ayiqhamuki kithi kwaSARS. Uma uthola lo number leyo ungacela ukuthi uvakashele enye yezikhungo zethu wenze appointment nenye yezikhungo zethu ese-Eastern Cape, angazi noma usemthatha noma use-East London, bakwazi ukuhlolela lokho ngoba i-income tax number uyithola kumqhashi wakho uma ekuqhasha okanye uyayithola nakwaSARS ukwazi ukuzenzela wona. Angikholwa ukuthi ingabe iqhamuka kithi lo mlayezo, kodwa-ke ukuze ube nesiqiniseko ungaya kwenye yezikhungo zethu.
All right. But then I think while we're there, I mean, I'm sure Nsizwa, you've seen ukuthi there's been an upsurge kuma cases whereby sifumana ilokhuzana sithola imqhafazo noma ama messages. There was a time where everybody actually received ama text ukuthi company yakho hasn't been paying tax kwaba njani. In fact, I think it's the whole of South Africa, because after that iSARS ize yathatha decision yokuthi ayiphindi ithumela abantu imiyalezo, just ignore if you were one of the people that received lauma message. So maybe let's talk about ubugebengu nopoto mhlambe osutholwe yigebengu ukuthi bazama ukusebenzisa igama lenu, parading themselves as iSARS ukuthi bazama ukuthi bakhipha imali ebantwini.
Kuyenzeka kakhulu unyaka nonyaka dadwethu, especially njengoba soqala i-filing season, kunezigebengu ezithumela abantu ama-SMS, kube ngathi i-SMS yakhona iqhamuka kwaSARS, babuze abantu imininingwane yabo. Thina siwu-SARS ngeke sikubuze i-ID yakho, ngeke sikubuze ama-banking details akho ngoba zonke lezo zinto sinazo. Futhi-ke thina siwu-SARS ngeke sithi une-refund sicela ukuthi usinikeze lokho. Miningi nje imigulukudu eqhamuka ngama-email, enye iqhamuka ngama-SMS. ngithi ebantwini uma usola ungayivuli loyo email okanye i-SMS ngoba kwenzeka lento kuthiwa i-phishing bese bekwazi ukuthatha imininingwane yakho bashintshe izinto zakho namabhenki ukuze kuthi noma ubune-refund ingasezi kuwe iye kulezi yilaphuba uma uyisola i-SMS ngicela uhlangane nathi ngokuphuthuma.
All right, siyabonga kakhulu Nsizwa ngaleso sixwayiso lapha. Let's go back to the lines. NginoThembelani ocingweni. Thembelani, sakwamukela ohlelweni, ungasibuza umbuzo noma usibekele umbono usitshele futhi ukuthi usifonela ukuphi nendawo.
Hello, kunjani?
Siyaphila Nsizwa, unjani wena?
Siyaphila nami Thembelani lapha.
Yebo baba. Qhubeka baba nombuzo wakho.
Lapho sibenzela ubuzo claim imali yasekhaya. So, inkoda ke ukutobala xa umuntu yafuna claim imali.
Okay, Thembelani ngicela uqale phansi baba, asikuzwisisa kahle yazi ucingo lakho ngathi uline wakho is not clear. Awuzame futhi.
Ngidanga claim imali. So, ngicela ukubuza xa uthanda uclaim ngibheka kanjani ngaya ukufuna ukufuna imali.
Angikuzwa Thembelani, ngicela ungikhulumele baba ngikuzwe futhi one last time. Okay, all right. Thembelani, I'm struggling with the line, so I didn't really quite make out ukuthi uthini lapha. So I'm going to try and just ask production to look into that matter while we carry on with this discussion. Maybe sizokwazi ukuthi sithole ukuthi umbuzo kaButhembelani ubuthini. I don't know if it's my lines namhlanje noma kahle kahle ama lines abantu abasifonela ngawo. So Nqobani, let's talk about that. The unscrupulous behavior eseyenziwa abanye abantu. We know ukuthi obviously khona igebengu, but is it possible ukuthi a whole registered tax practitioner uyakwazi ukuthi akukhwabanisele akuxhophe agcine ngasubmit the proper documentation wena interested ngayo ukuthi akufakele yona on your behalf?
Uma uyi-registered tax practitioner kunama code of conduct nama code of ethics okumele usebenze ngawo okanye akululekayo ukuthi usebenze kanjani. Angithi mawuyilunga le-registered controlling board ukuba ilunga lakhona bayakutshela ukuthi kumele usebenze ngendlela kanje nekanje 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 imigomo ekutshelayo ukuthi uyiphathe kanjani kulomsebenzi. So akufanele ukuthi kwenzeke ngoba phela umuntu angeke umuntu umshini umcontrol.
Yebo.
So kodwa izinto esizenzayo thina as a controlling board umuntu kumele asayine every year pledge of ethics ukuthi ngiyasho ukuthi mina ngizosiphatha kahle ngalendlela mangenza izinto nemfanelo zabantu. So iloko kwenziwayo kanjalo.
And ikhona recourse lapho Nqobani, because if they are registered, obviously the regulatory body, if you have any complaints ungakhona ukuthi uhambe uyocomplaina ngayo.
Injalo ingakho phela ngithi kumele uqinisekise ukuthi ikhonda register khona.
Yebo.
Right, so iqala lapho lento.
Okay.
Isibili, if umuntu ezothi kuwena nginike zonke izinto zakho ngizokwenza sure ukuthi ngitholela i-refund. Lokho kuyisixwayiso njoba umlaleli wade fonela ubebuza lokuthi angaclaima yini ugcineni akakaza aclaim. Angithi abantu banalento ukuthi njalo makuphela unyaka or masekuyilesikhathi filing season kumele uclaim ubuyelwe imali. Banaleyo notion
ukuthi nje kunemali eqhamukayo.
Yeah, and ayisebenzi kanjalo. So if i-tax practitioner izothi kuwena nginike izinto zakho ngizokwenza sure ukuthi ubuyelwa imali, isixwayiso leyo ungabe uyilalela ngoba into ebalekile ukuthi
we can't predetermine ukuthi izophuma yini imali.
Yabona ngoba ngithi into ayenza yena uqinisekisa ukuthi obekufanele ukufake konke kuphelele. And then makuphelele ke bese iSARS yenza ama calculation naye njengomuntu onalo ulwazi lalento uzokutshela mayisifakile ukuthi ngazi ukuthi la uzomkweleta uSARS. Uyamasa umkweleta uSARS then ungakhokha uyokwenza iarrangement. Kodwa manje ukuthi uzokutshela ukuthi uzokwenzela ilentozo uboxwayi ngoba abavamisa ukwenza njalo benzani bathi nginike iprofile yakho e-filing. Momnike yakhe e-filing akwenzele. Mayisekwenzelile mhlambe anciphise lapha akhuphule lapho abambe la adedele la mayisekwenzile konke lokho uyithole refund. iSARS kodwa ayilele phela izobuka ithi okay lo uyitholile refund kukhona ama auditor ngasemuva eSARS sebeyaqala ke bayaphenya yabona icase yakho bayinike nje enyama auditor kuthiwa umcwaningi mabhuku bathi awucwaninge le incwadi zale taxpayer le mayisecwaninga acwaninga abuyele kwena athi mnomzana okanye dadewethu uthe la uclaime mhlambe u50,000 for expense ethile sicela usiphe ama receipt
akhona
dololo inkingi isisala nawo usuyamfuna ku tax practitioner ngoba ngithi awuzange umcheck njengoba ngichaza ukuthi kumele ucheck usuyamfonela uyambheka awusamtholi inkingi isisele nawo
yo othi sishiye la le ndaba because angifuni le nkingi isale nami but nobani we're going to take another quick ad break. Mbugeli, remember those lines are still open. We're talking about all your tax related matters, particularly if when uthanda ukusebenzisa umuntu ekuthiwa a tax practitioner. We're back shortly after this. Ungayindawo. All right, welcome back Mbugeli. Namhlanje ke sikhuluma phela ngeindaba zakho ze-tax ezibalekile njengoba phela isiqalile isizini sizwile ukuthi it's other three ways ujabule because uzothola i-refund or ukwatile ukhahlela izinja because wena uzange uhambise amalokhuzana ama-tax returns akho properly or ikhona la njengobesho insizwa ubhuti Mzizi uthi la hlampe khona la unciphise khona wanyusa uma uzazi wena ukuthi lezi zinto zisebenza kanjani. Ngihlele nobhuti Nqobane Mzizi ovela abasebenza ngama-accountants nobhuti Zulu eThekwini ulapha ya usebenzela i-office le-SARS. But then just very quickly before we go to our next question, our previous caller here ubhuti bebuza ukuthi uThembelani bebuza ukuthi akakaza file before uyasebenza ufuna ukufile but uyasaba ukuthi mhlambe uzopenalize. How often do you get such questions and what is your easiest response kubona?
Siyayithola imibuzo enjalo efana nekabhuti Thembelani. Into esemqoka ke ukuthi Thembelani engesabi njengoba sihlale sithi SARS is at your service akeze ezikhungweni zethu enze ne-appointment sizokwazi ukumnceda simtshele ukuthi imiphi iminyaka engayifayilanga. Yes, ikhona ipenalty esikucharge yona ukuthi awufayilanga ngoba ukungafayili onongabhadala intela ukwephula umthetho akangesabi akeze njengoba enjalo akekho umuntu ozombulala sizomncedisa simlungisise ukuthi ukuphi nakuphi la umele alungise.
All right, and then but then you know there's this question because I know sisaphuma kwisikhathi se-COVID, a lot of people still have not recovered in terms of imisebenzi yabo. It's either imisebenzi yabo yanciphiswa or people completely lost their jobs, but now they've been able ukuthi mhlambe bathole eminye imisebenzi and now are able to then resume ukuthi bakhokhe. There was not even any salary to be taxed at that particular time. So kwenziwa njani in that situation where you've been out of the job market, now you are back and active in the job market, usuyahola imali that is actually taxable, and your company has been submitting ama returns on your behalf to SARS?
Uma i-company yakho lo ohlukanayo lokwa-submit ama-return akho ungasikweledi alikho icala, kodwa uma ubungasasebenzi usuyasebenza nakhona uyeza kithi ukhulumisane nathi ukuthi isimo sami sesimi kanje bese senza uma unesikweletu bese senza lokho sikubiza nge-deferred payment ozokwazi ukuthi ubhadale kancane kancane ukuze into zakho zigcine zilungile. Awusishiyi nje isikweletu njengoba sinjalo ukuthi mangasasebenzi, xhumana nathi sikwazi ukubonisa ukuthi ungalisusa kanjani lelo cala.
But then mengasebenzi, it wasn't through a fault of my own. Ngizoyithatha le mali ngihlele ekhaya ngine stress sokuthi I'm unemployed ngapha iSARS ifuna ngikhokhe intela. It wasn't my own doing. People were getting retrenched, abantu bebesuswa benciphiselwa ama shift. So how is it then ukuthi i-taxpayer is still held liable even when they are unemployed for a tax that they cannot afford to pay?
Uma bengasebenzi kungena income singeke isikweletu abe naso kusho leso sikweletu saqhamuka esasebenza.
Okay.
Njoba wazi ukuthi imali yentela ayifi noma usufile ihlala ikhona kungakho ukuthi kufanele uze kithi ukhulume nathi sibone ukuthi silungisa kanjani leso sikweletu.
Siyabonga Nsizwa, I that analogy ukuthi noma ufile kodwa sifi isikweletu sakho iyathusa ngempela. But Ngobani, I mean this is quite worrying because I don't think a lot of people understand how ilokhuzana i-tax ukuthi sebenzelani. Nokuthi firstly, yes, till this day we still get people that ask ukuthi ngibhatalelani le tax. Uthini kulabo bantu?
I-tax imali enikwa izwe. So ukuthi izwe likwazi ukuthi lisebenze, izikole zisebenze, imigaqo elungiswe, izibhedlela zisebenze, yonke into nje eyiservice ekumele siphiwe yona izwe isuka kule mali yentela le. So wonke umuntu oyisakhamuzi nomuntu ake ngitho izivakashi futhi mhlambe ozosebenzisa imali yakhe lana uyaxhasa kulentela le. So lentela le isebenza ukuthi izwe likwazi ukusimama libe lihle. Vele isikhalo sesisiningi ke manje ukuthi abakhokhi bentela sebenciphile. Siyakhala ukuthi kushawe idonsaya ngithi manje. Kodwa noma kunjalo still kusamele sikhokhe ngoba makungasakhokhwa kuzokwenzakalana.
So ngizohlala endlini ngingasebenzi kungcono.
Uzophila ngo350.
Inkinga izoba lapho. But then I mean let's come back to you. Usisifikile la we are struggling with our lines but we are able to take ama questions ngaphandle kokuthi sibayise emoyeni. Usisifikile usifonele la. Wathi usebenzela icompany eyodwa kodwa namanje njengoba uthi wena sebetholile labo who have a single income sebewatholile imqhafazo yabo nama SMSs ukuthi seniba assessile. Uthi yena she hasn't received this. What could be the problem or incazela yalokho?
I-SMS ilokhuza ngoba maningi lama SMS esiwakhiphayo wasiwakhipanga wonke the same time so wakhipha staggering so akalinde nomunye uzoyithola SMS ikakhulukazi iningi labantu kuzoshaya umhla ka14 sebewatholile ama SMS abo akalinde i-SMS izofika isendleleni.
All right, uyezwa ke sisifikile kuthiwa linda ntokazi umqhafazo wakho yo SMS iyeza isendleleni ibisakhishwa ngegaba unethemba uBuden ukuthi if yonke imininingwane yakho as i-employer yakho ifakile iqondile isemthethweni futhi uzothola leyo mqhafazo as well as abanye benu that believe ukuthi you are always auto assessed. Sithathe linye ikhefu umbukeli kuthiwe lokugcina isikhathi ukuthi sesiyephi. We back shortly after this. Bogale, it's our final segment trying to find answers for you pertaining to ama tax matters wenu ama auto assessment ngisenensizo la uBhuti Ngobani Mzizi ovela eCypher basebenza ngama accountants ke bona bayakwazi futhi ukuthi ba represent labo esibabiza ama tax practitioners kanti futhi endlini yethu yokusakaza eThekwini sinayo insizo Mageba uBhuden Zulu ovela khona Mancupha lapha ya SARS basichazela ukuthi iziphi izinto okumele uyiqaphele mbukele Bhuden, a very quick one evela lana nje sisesemoyeni uthi umuntu nginebhizinisi kodwa ibusiness lami aliregistiwe but abantu mebengikhokhela irent because ama room lawa abantu mebengikhokhela irent ingena kwi-account imali but ayiregistiwe lena as part of my income. Nizokhona ukuthi nicwabaninge lapho nithole le mali bese niyangithathela imali.
Uthi ibhizinisi yakhe ayirejistwanga.
Yebo ama room nje ekhaya baba uqashisile abantu labo mebekhokha irent bayifaka kwi-account yakhe kodwa yena eSARS kwazi ukuthi uthola i-income eyodwa.
Uma like naye thola inegcwalisa i-return yakhe kumele asho ukuthi uthola i-rental income ngoba i-rental income kumele kube imali ekwazi ukuthi siyi-tax.
Okay, I guess ukuthi akusekho ukufihla ke. I hope ukuthi bazwile. How important is it Bhuti Ngobani to declare all these things so that we don't have to then let SARS have to go through an investigation because I suppose you can lose a lot ukuthi mekuthola ukuthi even one single digit we misrepresented.
Shuthi iSARS isebenza ngesystem yokuthembana. It's a system of trust. So if kukuthi into ayiyazi ithi sitshele thina singaze siyithola.
Because make
sayithola kunama repercussions engizowachaza. So mawukuthi kukhona into oyifihlile wangabatshela ababukeli nje ngiyabaxwayisa ukuthi bakhuthale ukuyitshela iSARS. Ake sithi ke awubatshelanga uqhubeke uphile bathole emva kweminyaka owodwa ombili omthathu ukuthi khona wakufihla wangababonisa okanye wangakufaka kwi-return yakho. Kwenzakalani lapho kunama penalty bese kuba nenzalo futhi kuleyo mali leyo. So i-penalty iya up to 200% yale mali osokuyifihlile. Bese kuba nenzalo futhi kuleyo mali ngoba ithi iSARS ukube le mali sayithola kudala ngabe isizale yabangaka le mali. Asikhulumeke leso sikweletu ke leso. Awukwazi ukuthi mase sebekubambile usuthi hayi ngiyaxolisa bengingazi. Obviously uyifihle ngoba unolwazi ngoba ubalekela ukukhokha intela.
But then, I mean, a quick one as we wind down the show. Umbuzo uyabuza la ukuthi uma ke sengiqashe mina i-tax practitioner, does that mean ukuthi I cease all communication ne-SARS, iSARS izokhuluma directly nalo muntu esengim-appointa as my tax practitioner?
Kuyadependa ukuthi isivumelano sakho ne-tax practitioner sikanjani na useta up. Siyakwazi ukuthi ukhulume nathi okanye ukhulume ne-tax practitioner yakho. Kusho ukuthi i-email okanye ama-details azobe efakwe laphana ngawe-tax practitioner na ukuthi yonke imilayezo iye ku-tax practitioner or uyifake ukuthi imilayezo ize kuwe naku-tax practitioner. Akusho ukuthi awusenabudlelwane totally no SARS.
All right, siyabonga kakhulu. Let's go to social media lapha uSipho Khahla uthi uyabonga kakhulu ngalolu hlelo uthi yo guys ibalwa njani la tax yo iyandigqiba ubale i-documents zakho ufumane over 80,000 or 800,000 kodwa xa isifika kuwe une change ye 400 rand or even worse uyakweleta. But ngobani kusuke kwenze njani la ibalwa kanjani lento yakhona ukusiphendula?
So as an individual taxpayer kunama tax brackets, right? So depend ukuthi uhola malini. So iqala ku 0 izifike imali ayinakuphela. So mawukuthi ufike imininingwane yakho kwi-return. Once wayifaka imininingwane kwi-return before uyifile angithi kumele uqinisekise ukuthi iyiqiniso na leyo mininingwane. Umuntu unocabanga ukuthi hayi mhlambe ngoba kukanje usho ukuthi mhlambe izophuma ibe kanje ayisebenzi kanjalo. Uline noline unendlela osebenza ngayo kwi-system. So for example ake sithi mhlambe medical aid kunama tax credits umuntu uzocabanga ukuthi mhlambe kwi-medical aid ngoba ngikhokha 12,000 ngonyaka izokwehla yonke ayisebenzi kanjalo. Kunama medical tax credits ngenze example ngoline owodwa. So umuntu uzoyikalela athi mhlambe ngihola 800,000 nama expenses wami umqashwa wami usengikhokhelile imali engaka futhi kuzosala imali engaka ayisebenzi kanjalo. I-system ifike yona mayisifika ngasemuva ibe neindlela zayo ifika ibale ngayo bese egcineni iphuma nenani lapha ngasezantsi.
All right, but then in closing Nsizwa, very encouraging words for ama taxpayers wethu nalabo abafuna ukuthi bazokhokha intela abaqalayo abasabayo. Very quickly your words of encouragement kubona as we close the show.
Ngingathi kubakhokhi bentela yethu ufanele kuyilungelo lethu sonke ukuba sikhokhe intela njengoba ubhuti wami eseshilo ukuthi intela inomsebenzi omkhulu okwakha iningizimu Afrika. Mabangasabi abeqalayo nabasafuna ukulungisa izinto zabo ukuthi abasixhumanise nathi sizobalungisela izinto. Ukukhokha intelo kuyilungelo lethu sonke singabahlali.
Siyabonga kakhulu Bhutenzulu there esijoyina endlini yethu yokusakaza eThekwini. Bhutinqobani Mzizi ovela e-SA Institute of Professional Accountants. Inamba zakho Nsizwa sinazo bangakufonela ngithi if befuna nje noma any frequently asked questions mayelana nemininingwane ye-tax.
So ababukeli uma benazo inkinga zentela bangaya ku website yethu ba-check ukuthi yiphi practitioner abangayithola.
Okay.
Ngoba thina asisizi abantu, sidila nama-practitioner. Ama-practitioner kube yiwona adila nabantu. So ilula lento ngoba uzothola umuntu onegunya lokusebenza ngentela oyobe umthole kuwebsite yethu uzokusiza ngale inkinga zakho
zobunaso. Futhi nithembekile nina niyaziwa na uBhudeni. Siyabonga kakhulu insizwa. Thank you so much to my guest today uBhudinqobane Mzizi there from SAIPA alongside insizwa uBhudenzulu njengoba bese ngishilo umbukeli eThekwini. Siyabonga kakhulu with your participation, your calls as well as ama comments eniwabhalile la kwi topic yethu. Mbukeli, please take these matters very seriously because you could be losing imali oyidingayo and it is sitting there, but awudlule ekusabeni uhambe uyoyibuzela uthi uBhudeni ngeke bakubulale. Once you get there office wabo, there is always going to be indlela yokuthi kutholakala isolution ukuthi both of you nisizakale ngoba phela ukhumbule ithina kahle kahle siphilisa umhlaba ngetaxi yethu okajali okakangcolosi umntana ishongololo ngisaba ukulibamba uthi nisale kahle emakhaya ngimthanda nonke nisale kahle.
Hallelujah.